Hey guys, it's Darius. If you guys don't know me, I am the editor of Grandma Ray Don't Play Videos, and this is her 1,000. Well, she finally hit her milestone of 1,000 subscribers, so we're gonna do a surprise party for her. And Grandma, you haven't seen this yet, but you will see this later. So we're gonna say. So I just want to say we're gonna surprise you. We're gonna get all our decorations and stuff set up. We already told her to come to our place at 9 o'clock, and yeah, we're gonna surprise her. So you guys are gonna see everything behind the scenes right now before the celebration happens. All right. Okay, guys. So we got everything set up. We went to the store, bought all the stuff, and bought the cake and all that other stuff, you know, that we needed. You guys ready to see it? Okay, 3, 2, 1. So we got the 1,000 balloons to represent for 1,000 subscribers. I know the one is backwards, but it just keeps on spinning. We got the cake here saying congrats Grandma Ray. We got a little bag with a special gift inside, and I guess I can say what gift it is, right?
Yeah, because she'll open it.
So it's a Bluetooth microphone for her recording, so when she makes her cooking videos now, she'll sound a whole lot better when making it. So yeah, that's something for you. You're welcome, Grandma. Thank Brenda for all this, because she did all the work. And well, I'm paying for half of it, but yeah, she really wanted to make it happen, so we actually went out and made it happen. And congratulations on 1,000 subscribers. Can't wait for you to hit 5,000. Can't wait for you to hit 10,000. Can't wait for you to hit 100,000. Yep, and so on and so forth.
Right.
So
congratulations, Grandma.
And yeah, now we just gotta wait for it to come. So
Congratulations.
Oh, thank you, Brenda. I was in the movie theater and I looked at that and seen that number. I just wanted to just scream in there.
Yeah.
Wow.
We did all this for you.
Oh, oh, look at that. I
Yep.
didn't even see that. Oh my God. You all are too nice. Oh my goodness.
Congratulations, Grandma.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. And got that on. Y'all is too much.
your first ever YouTube video, babe. Get that on camera. Her first ever YouTube video.
You want to say something, Grandma?
Wow. Are we live?
No, but we're going to put this on probably tonight.
Okay. Yeah, I just want to say, well, let me take my coat off. I want to look real good for this one. I just want to say, the volume on that one. Hey, YouTube family. Wow, this is just an awesome day. I promised you all that I was going to shout, right? Well, let me shout. Yay! Yay! We hit 1,000 subscribers. You did it, YouTube. Oh my God. What a great, great family. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So of course, now you're waiting on the giveaway, right? Okay, so let's see from my editor, when can we do that? I gotta print off all the names and then cut them up and put them in a bag. So that's gonna take a little time. I gotta do 1,000 people. So I'm thinking next week on next Wednesday, Darius. Come on in here, Darius.
Oh yeah, congratulations, Darius.
Yep.
Look, I couldn't have did this without my grandson, Darius. He was inspirational, and even for me, even starting this, we went on a trip to the South, and on the road trip, he encouraged me to start a YouTube channel because I was trying to practice to be a stand-up comedian, which I haven't gotten to yet, but I'm getting there, okay? And he set the whole thing up, and he said, well, Grandma, you could just do this. And so he had faith in me even when I didn't even have the faith. And as we went through this process, he's the one that edits all the videos. He names all the videos. He takes all the headache away from me. All I have to do is perform, you know, cook or do my talk show and come up with what the ideas or what I want to do and that sort of thing. But he makes it happen, okay? He is the brain behind it all. And I love him so much. And also he has a girlfriend, Brenda, who also helps out along the way. I couldn't do it without her either. I want to make sure I give her credit. And I have my granddaughter who is behind me 100%. And I don't know how we can get a picture of the whole family. I don't know if we can do that or not. Can we, Brenda?
We can.
Yeah, we can set it up.
Yep.
Okay, so we're gonna set that up, and let's talk about the giveaway date and time, Darius, because I want everybody to know in advance so that you'll know the date and time when we do it. We're gonna do a live drawing so you can clearly see everything, okay? And you can tell them how they're gonna receive it and that sort of thing.
Okay, so it's going to be two Amazon gift cards giveaway. We're going to be sending it as an e-gift card, so it's not physical. You're going to be getting an email a code when you're the winner. We should be doing it. We'll announce the winner next Wednesday at 6 p.m. on the dot. So be looking out Eastern time, wherever you're at, U.S. Eastern time. So, yeah.
Okay, and I think what I would like to do is once we pull the 2 people that are going to win the giveaway, we're going to send one email as a confirmation so that we make sure that that email is still working and that you got our message that you're the winner. And then once we get the confirmation back, then we can send the gift certificate through eMERS, okay? You think that's good, Darius?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, and let me just explain how the rules go again. So just in case you didn't check it on the YouTube, so one $25 gift card is going to be to anyone that have subscribed 5 or more people, and their names will be put into the bag. So the way that worked is if someone subscribed and said so-and-so at email such and such told me to subscribe, then that goes towards your name and your email. Yep. And so when we add up the total 5, that's how you qualify for one drawing.
And it's not too late. If you still want to do it, you can still do it now. You got until next Wednesday.
You sure you're gonna give them that grace period?
Yeah, that grace period. Until Wednesday, we print out all the names.
Okay, he's the boss. He's the boss. And then the other $25 giveaway is for anybody that have subscribed, period. All of my great supporters, okay? And we want to also hear from you for you to tell us what other giveaways or suggestions that we may have so that we can reach to the next mark. What is my next mark, Darius?
I would say 2,000 would be the next one. Then after 2,000, we're just going to go with 5,000 and 10,000.
Okay, did you hear that?
So 2,000 is the next milestone.
Okay, so give me an idea of what you want me to do for that, all right? Okay, so next Wednesday date is... wait, we got to get the date.
Next Wednesday date is October 3rd.
Okay, so October 3rd at 6 p.m. we're going to do a live drawing, and that's a Wednesday?
Yep.
Okay, so that's Wednesday, October 3rd. Okay, so we're looking forward to that, and I am so happy. And did you all see? Look at the balloons. 1,000 subscribers and the cake. Oh wow! Look at that. Oh boy! I wish you to party with me. I'm telling you, but you know, I know you're partying with me wherever you are because you made it happen, okay? And I want to say thank you for coming into my life and making me feel the joy and happiness. You know, I started this out a year ago. It was a year and about 2 weeks ago that I started. So for all you small YouTubers who are just starting out or you haven't really gotten a lot of subscribers yet, I just want to encourage you to keep at it, keep doing it, figure out how you can grow the subscribers, and don't give up, because everything is possible. And there was times where I went out on the street, passed out cards, I went to the laundromat, you name it. I went around and I was my own spokesperson and encouraged people to go check me out. So sometimes you gotta get off the couch, and go out there and introduce yourself to people and let them know about you. You know what I mean? And you know, maybe you can do something creative to get them to constantly tune in. Find out what they like. Talk to them, you know what I mean? I get a lot of comments and I comment back to everybody because I think everybody deserves the right to hear an answer one way or the other, or even for me to just say hi or thank you or anything like that, okay? So hey, coming from me, a senior citizen, yes, you heard it, a senior citizen, this girl is back. I feel like I'm 21 tonight, although I'll be hurting later, but that's okay. Okay, all right.
Wait, one more thing I want to say.
Yeah.
Grandma Ray hit 1,000 subscribers on one of the hardest platforms, the hardest social media platforms to grow on. The YouTube is the hardest platform to grow on at all. So to hit 1,000 subscribers in 1 year is extremely impressive.
And also I wanted to say, when YouTube came up with the new regs on how you can get to what you had to do to qualify to go to the next level in YouTube, I think I was on maybe, I would say maybe 4 months, 3-4 months, and oh boy, was I discouraged at that point. I said, oh my God, they're changing the rules and I'm nowhere. I only had maybe, I'd say maybe 200 or 300 subscribers or something like that. And I just felt discouraged. But you know what? I said to Darius, and I said, well, you know, I just want to try. And he said, okay, we can do it, Grandma. We can do it. And he is great. And oh, let me give him a plug. Please, please. He has a company called One Up Athletics. He has a clothing line, and he's on YouTube, he's on Facebook, he's on Instagram, and he is really making a name for himself. He has his own business logo on his clothing, and I'm gonna let him tell you what he has going on right now, the different items and that sort of thing. And I ask you to please go on over there, encourage him, order some of his products, because you know what? He is 19 years old with his own business. He has his own apartment. He has his own woman. He has his, he goes to college full time and he works full time. Now, that's pretty good for somebody that's 19 years old. He doesn't do any drugs. He doesn't drink. I mean, a rarity, isn't he? I am so proud of him. Darius, tell him about One Up Athletics.
So One Up Athletics is a brand I started in April. We offer online personal training, workout planners, nutrition planner, and we also sell gym clothing specifically designed for performance to help you improve in the gym. We help people from all ages when it comes to losing weight, fat loss, strength gains, or just wanting to achieve your dream physique. So if you want to learn more, you can go to oneupathletics.com, and you can go to our Instagram page, follow us at the One Up Athletics. No, just One Up Athletics, not the One Up Athletics, just One Up Athletics. And link will be in the description. And yeah, guys, check it out. Buy some clothing, get some training, and change your life.
What you selling these days?
What I sell these days is just the same thing. The workout programs is one of the biggest things I got going on now. People are really interested in that, especially if you're new to the gym. I help people from all ages. It's all customized too, so it's not a cookie cutter program. Nobody gets the same workout plan or diet plan. It's all custom to you and how you live and what you can do physically as well.
And I want to say one more thing about Darius. You know, there's lots of young people, they don't have time for older people, okay? And you could learn a lot from an older person because you don't have to go through the ups and downs or something that an older person have experienced. You don't have to experience it to learn the lesson. And that's one thing that Darius and I do. We have nice conversations about business and how to grow business and that sort of thing. And I really appreciate him listening to me, and I also listen to him as well because he also teaches me a lot about business and the push and the drive and all of that. You know, and I think that if nothing else, if you can get your grandkids and your children to listen to this portion of the video and let them know that just because you old don't mean that they can't get something from you, and to spend a little time with you is okay because it's valuable, right? Something that when I'm dead and gone, he can't get. So if he doesn't get it now, when is he gonna get it, right? So he shows me nothing but love, and I like the love. I love the love the love, okay? All right, YouTube family, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel, and yes, we did it! Yay! Thank you! Oh, wow! All right, pretty. Is this a hole?
Yeah, you want to go explain it?
So if you take it out the box, you can unzip it.
Oh, what is this?
You unzip it. Now this is an external microphone and it's Bluetooth, so you can connect this to your camera, then have this go under your shirt. Then it's a microphone that you can talk to, and it's gonna pick up your voice nice and clear.
Oh, okay, so.
It increases the quality of your videos.
Okay, and I'm sure Darius is gonna come over and give me like 5 lessons on this. Okay.
Yeah, it's really gonna step up your quality.
Thank you. Wow. So this is like they have on TV.
Yeah, it's like exactly what they have in TV.
And this clips on my shirt like this.
Yep, it's very hidden. It goes under your shirt, and it picks up your voice very well.
Okay,
and
so it goes under like this? No?
Yeah, not really.
Okay, I think I'm gonna cut it right here.